Have you ever felt like your Agile team is working tirelessly, yet progress feels sluggish? We often think the problem lies with lazy team members or that we need the latest productivity hack to speed things up. But what if I told you that's not the real issue? The truth is, most of the time, the problem isn't lazy team members or ineffective tips and tricks. It's the invisible wastes within our processes that are silently draining our efficiency. Hi, I'm Assad, and welcome to our channel where we explore ways to make agile teams more effective and happier. Today, we're going to uncover the 7 wastes of lean in software development. We'll dive into real-world examples and practical tips to help you eliminate these wastes and unlock your team's true potential. First up is partially done work. It's like starting a puzzle and leaving it incomplete. Not very useful, right? In software development, this includes code that's written but not tested, features developed but not integrated, or tasks started but not finished. Imagine your team begins several features during a sprint but doesn't complete any by the end. They're spread too thin and nothing is delivered. This not only wastes time but also delays feedback and value to the customer. Implement work in progress limits. Encourage the team to focus on completing tasks before starting new ones. Define clear done criteria to ensure everyone knows when a task is truly complete. Next is extra features, adding functionalities that the customer didn't ask for and doesn't need. It's like packing for a weekend trip and bringing everything in your closet. A team spends weeks developing a sophisticated search feature with filters, tags, and sorting options when all the client wanted was a simple keyword search. The result? Delayed delivery and wasted resources on features that add no immediate value. Embrace the minimum viable product approach. Prioritize features based on customer needs and feedback. Regularly review the product backlog to ensure alignment with client expectations. Relearning is when time is wasted rediscovering information that should be readily available. It's like forgetting the route to a place you visit frequently. A developer encounters a complex error but doesn't realize a teammate solved the same issue last month. Without documentation, they spend hours troubleshooting, duplicating effort. Foster a knowledge-sharing culture. Use collaborative tools like wikis or knowledge bases. After resolving significant issues, document the solution and share it with the team. Handoffs involve transferring work between individuals or teams, often leading to miscommunication. It's like playing telephone. The original message gets distorted along the way. The development team finishes a feature and hands it off to QA without proper context. QA misunderstands the requirements, leading to unnecessary bug reports and rework. Reduce handoffs by creating cross-functional teams that handle a feature from start to finish. When handoffs are necessary, ensure thorough communication through meetings or detailed documentation. Delays occur when work is paused, waiting for information, decisions, or resources. It's like sitting in a traffic jam, frustrating and unproductive. A project stalls because it's awaiting legal approval. Meanwhile, the team is left idle or forced to switch tasks, disrupting workflow and momentum. Identify dependencies early and plan accordingly. Engage stakeholders proactively to prevent bottlenecks. Consider parallel processing where possible to keep the project moving. Task switching is costly. Contrary to popular belief, multitasking reduces efficiency. It's like trying to read emails during a meeting. You end up doing both poorly. A developer is assigned to multiple projects simultaneously, constantly switching contexts. They make more mistakes and take longer to complete tasks, impacting overall productivity. Encourage focus by assigning team members to one project at a time when possible. Schedule dedicated blocks of time for specific tasks and minimize unnecessary interruptions. Defects are errors that require rework. They not only consume time and resources, but can also harm your reputation. A software update is released without thorough testing, causing the application to crash for users. The team scrambles to fix the issue, pulling resources from other projects and eroding customer trust. Integrate quality checks into every stage of development. Use automated testing, code reviews, and continuous integration to catch defects early. So, what's the takeaway? Most of the time, the problem isn't about lazy team members or lacking the latest productivity hack. It's about identifying and eliminating these 7 wastes that are silently slowing us down. By focusing on reducing waste, we not only improve efficiency, but also create a more satisfying work environment for everyone involved. Have you noticed any of these wastes in your team? What steps have you taken to address them? I'd love to hear your experiences. Share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on agile practices and team efficiency. Let's work smarter, not harder.